y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tasia Michelle. I know I've been gone for a while, but hey, y'all already know the goodies that's in the box. I'm gonna be bleaching the knots on this wig. I'm gonna show you what it looks like before I bleached it. I ran out of my Blonde Me bleach, so I was sad about that, using the BW2. This is what the wig looked like, and it came pre-plucked. I really like that. Y'all need to get this wig. I feel like it's beginner friendly. All the details on this wig will be in the description, so don't forget to check that, y'all. I do want to say I messed up, okay? The filming messed up, but as I was filming TikToks, I had this content. So I'm gonna be using this. If it makes you mad, sorry. Let's get started though. I already did the ball cap method, so I'm gonna start off with my glue. Today we are using 4 layers of glue. When applying the glue, make sure that it's a thin layer. You don't want a thick layer. And then you're gonna spread that out. Get your blow dryer on the cool setting and blow dry it till it's clear. On each layer, you wanna make sure that it's clear before you apply another layer, or it's gonna be a mess. And you don't want that. Also, don't use your finger. There's oils in your finger. I am impulsive and impatient. I couldn't find what I needed, but don't be like me. Honestly, guys, installing wigs is not that hard. You just have to be patient. Like this blow drying, it took me like 10 minutes. 10 minutes each. Because I wanted to make sure that it was clear. I get so annoyed at how long it takes, but it's so worth it in the end. So be patient, guys. The ADHD jumps out when I edit because I'm like, nobody wants to see me do the same steps over and over. Because I know I'd be like, skip. But a lot of people are not like that. So I'll do better. I don't know. How y'all been though? Like, it's been a long time putting this glue on my forehead. Tell me about your day. I'm gonna let the music play for the majority of this because a lot of the steps are repetitive and I feel like I don't need to keep talking if it's repetitive. So I'll see you when I need to talk. Well, that was fast. Now we're gonna get our lace and put it on the glue. This is my favorite part, guys, because it gets to melt. I wasn't in the frame, so don't mind that. But you're going to pull the lace a little over the glue. That way it's not glue just remaining, and then that's how you get all that black stuff. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But press it in. I'm supposed to have a comb. Didn't have that. Sorry. When the lace is on the glue, you're going to get the blow dryer on the cool setting and switch it back and forth from the cool setting to the hot setting. But you're going to want to finish on the cool setting. Now, you're going to get your elastic band and tie it on your head so tight it feels like a corset. Cut off all the blood circulation and let that lace melt into that glue. Later on, you're going to see me cut off the ear tabs. You want to do that in the beginning. Again, don't be like me. Cut off the ear tabs before, okay, guys? Now, for real this time, I'm going to let the music play. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will talk when needed, but yeah, see you later. The products that I use will be down in the description, so check that out. I mainly just use water and mousse. I can't lie, y'all, this wig is really pretty. I'm going to wear it for a while, then come back and write a review. So look out for that, okay?
on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could keep it up, man. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it, not, maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Yeah. Won't stop, yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I gotta see either you or me. That's your side, I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep what it's saying. Black leather glove, no sequins. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track.
The hair came out so pretty in the end. I absolutely loved it. That's it for this video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram so we could talk. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide.